So today I have a bucket of rocks that I want to polish. This is a piece of Amazonite that I'm going to polish up. And then this is some peristerite from Norland. And I've already started buffing some of it up. But I'm really looking forward to seeing some of this Amazonite polished up. There's another one. It's already fairly square. So that's an entire day's worth of rocks polished. And I'm pretty happy. This one is just absolutely beautiful. Some really nice Amazonite. This one's got some fractures, but it's still pretty nice.